Hello guys and welcome back into new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Salesforce Inspector. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. First, you will need to have the Inspector extension and basically you will need to go to extensions of your web browser and then go manage extension and you can get new one. From there, you will need just to search for the Salesforce inspector. So here Salesforce inspector, and then you will need to have the inspector reloaded, which is the newest Salesforce inspector uh, extension. Then you will start having this arrow here when you install your extension. Then you will need just to click on it, and basically this is our inspector extension. So from here, you can start using this extension. And basically, it will allow you to have some data export or to export data, importing data, and you can also download metadata and other features. So for exporting and importing, it would be easy. You will need either to choose the objects from here. So you can simply go and search for your contacts, for example, here so basically we will find contact. I'm just going to click on show all data or you can click on data export. So from here it will select the ID from the contacts and it will get all the content I have. I run the export and from here this is the export result. So for example, I want to download as a CSV file. I will just click and I will have all the data as CSV file. Now I can delete these records if I want from my uh, organization and I will run the delete and it will start deleting. Also, you can have many other action like upsert, insert, update, and delete. So basically, Salesforce allows you to have more or an extended modification or features on your organization. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.